Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off pop-up notification in Microsoft Teams. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Microsoft Teams and then you need to click on three dots. Here you can see settings. You simply need to click on your profile picture first. Once you click on your profile picture, here you can see that is available. Click on that and you simply need to click on do not disturb. Once you click on that, so here you can see that your status is set to do not disturb. You will only get notifications for urgent messages, and then you need to click on change settings, and here you can manage priority access. So here you can add people that can access you at any time. So this is a simple process by which you can turn off pop-up notifications in Microsoft Teams. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.